So there are certain guidelines that we can use to identify vertical boundaries. The first one is to decompose a process into sub-processes based on logical constraints. For example, the predominant or key business object. Coming back to our order-to-cash example, within this process we have certain activities that refer to a different predominant or a key business object, like the invoice or the goods. Hence, these are suggestions for identifying sub-processes like invoice handling and goods handling, respectively. Or another option for identifying sub-processes is if there are predominant resource classes. A resource class is just a group of resources that all have the same skills, responsibilities, capabilities. For example, sales and finance. These are two different departments. Still, they both contribute as part of the order-to-cash process. We know that this particular process spans different organizational functions: inbound logistics, outbound logistics, sales, finance, etc. Now, an option for identifying sub-processes is to group all the activities of our process that are performed by a given resource class. So, for example, again, this would lead to identifying the invoice handling process, because that is done by finance. And then the second guideline is purely related to cosmetic/understandability concerned. As we will see when learning how to model business processes as part of this course, for readability purposes, it has been shown that a model shouldn't have more than 30 modeling elements, otherwise it becomes too hard to understand. So this is pretty much driven by an understandability concern.